Did you know that your thumbnail can literally make or break your video? It's the first thing that people see, and often the reason that they click on your video or just keep scrolling. Now, I really don't consider myself a super creative person. No, I don't. And I realized real quickly just how important thumbnails are if you want people to actually watch your content. That's exactly why I had to get these two amazing tools to help me out. In this video, I'm going to share my screen and show you the exact steps I used to create a click-worthy thumbnail without needing any crazy design skills. If you want more views and you're tired of guessing, these tools are game changers. Let's dive right in and create together. Why not? And you tell me what you think about the results later on in the video. Let's go. Okay, so now we are on the Canva platform. That's canva.com. Let me make the screen a little bit bigger. I should have done that before. Let's see. Let's make the screen a little bigger. No, not so big. Okay. So I went ahead and created the thumbnail that I am going to edit. So I created this thumbnail. For the sake of time, I'm going to just give you a brief summary on what I did. So I had a blank canvas. I typed in YouTube thumbnail, and it created a blank canvas. And then I put my face. This is my face on the right of me. Yes, this is my face. Of course, I'm smiling. And then I went to elements and found this picture of a doctor. I typed in doctor talking to patient, talking to a black woman, something like that. And then what I did was I put in this background, the background that's here. Let me show you the background. I went to background, scroll down on the left where you see background, and then I chose this background. Yeah, this one. All right, and to choose the picture of the doctor and the patient, I went to elements. Let's scroll up. Elements. And I typed doctor talking to a black woman. And then it gave me some options, and I chose this one. And so I filled in the space that was here by just moving this right here, the line right here. And then I went to text and I typed in the word health scare with a question mark, because this video is about getting a health scare after 50. And this is for I have a channel called Gentle Warrior, and it's all about motivational and inspiring content for women 40 and over. All right. And the video is explaining how I got a health scare when I was in my 50s, my mid 50s, and what I did, how I dealt with it and all of that stuff. So I didn't have a thumbnail yet. I did the video before I did the thumbnail, which I would not suggest. Do the thumbnail first and then create the video. But it's just that mine worked out this way. All right. So, and it's okay if you do it the other way too. Nothing is set in stone. Absolutely not. So I'm going to, all right, this is what I know about thumbnails from my experience, is that it has to emit some type of emotion if you're using faces. If you're not using faces, it has to emit curiosity. And you're going to use things like arrows to point to items or objects or whatever. But in this thumbnail, it's all about faces. Already you notice that the young lady right here has her head down and is worried. I don't like the little smirk on the doctor's face, because the doctor is delivering bad news and that face is not supposed to be like that. But I'm sure right here probably she's telling her she's pregnant. I don't know. And then my expression, I'm smiling. So we're going to change that. How do we change that? Because I want to use my face, because this is my story. So what we're going to do next is we're going to head over to another tool, the other tool that I'm telling you about, because Canva and that tool can work hand in hand. I could have gone to the other tool and typed a prompt, but I wanted to do it this way. So let's head on over to pixels.com and let me show you how we're going to transform this thumbnail and to make the faces and the expression, the facial expressions look different. All right, let's go. Okay, so here we are on pixels.com. I already went ahead for the sake of time to upload the thumbnail that we created over by Canva. And then in the edits box, I am asking the AI to change the facial expressions of both the doctor and and myself so that I accomplished my goal of showing, like, telling a story, so to speak. And this is what I typed in the box: change facial expression of woman in black to devastation at hearing bad news. She's crying and feeling scared. Change blouse of woman crying from black to red. Do not change text. Do not change text. I'm specifically asking the AI not to do that. I don't know how much specific I can get. Change doctor's expression to one of firm, urgent, and dire warning. And let's generate. Oh, I forgot to tell you that you have to make the characters 250 or less. Uh, you have to make it 250 characters or less. So right now it's telling me a message came up, an error message came up telling me that I am over 250 characters. Let me see what I can take out. Let's see, doctor's expression. Oh, let's take out crying right here. I think this should be fine now. And then we're going to generate. Let's see what comes up. I don't know what's going to come up yet, but I need your input. Let me know what you think in the comment section when we finally see the outcome. And don't sleep on Pixels, people. Please don't sleep on it. The link will be in the description. You need these tools if you want to level up your channel and grow and automate your channel. When you sign up to Pixels, you get 1,000 credits. As you notice, I'm down to 147 because I use this tool. I'm not talking to you and selling you something that I don't use. I use it. I'm down to 147 and I have to wait until the end of the month or the beginning of next month to replenish my credits. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. And of course, I did an entire video on some of the features that this AI tool has. You can go check out the video in my playlist when you're done watching this video. Don't sleep on this tool. Canva, you can sign up for it free. They do have a paid plan. Where you get more, you get access to more of the fonts and the images and the media, because you can also put a prompt in Canva and get a thumbnail out of it. And I also did a video, part of a video on that you can go check out. Now let's see what's going on here. Oh, I like this. But what the AI tool did was it put a T on the health. So I would have to go in back to Canva and either take out the T. I know how to take out the T, and or just do it all over again. Just put something right here like a banner, like an element right here, shaped like a banner, and change it up. But I know how to do that. And I love this. Yes, I do. I certainly do. I'm weird. I'm crazy. So let me save it. Health scare thumbnail. I want to save it. Um, Let me put just so I can remember what it is. So that is because look at the doctor's face. I like that, and look at my face over here. Well, I look a little older here, but that doesn't matter. And look at my tattoos. It did a good job. And what I would probably do is to find out how I can wear on here. I don't want to get it crowded because you don't want your thumbnail to be too crowded. So I want to have an arrow pointing from the doctor to me right here, or from health scare to me. So maybe I would use a small arrow. So I would go to Canva to do that. So I would, that's, those are the two things that I would do on Canva. Take out this T and put and place an arrow maybe here towards me, because I'm too close to the doctor right here. But do you think that this thumbnail tells a story? The text that's on the screen, the doctor's face and my face and the young lady with her head down. Well, I think so. I think it's amazing. I think it's amazing. So if you do, let me know in the comment section, and don't sleep on Pixels, please, or Canva. Please don't sleep on it. And vidIQ also has a thumbnail feature that is amazing, and I'm gonna leave the link of a video I did on that as well in the description, or just go check out my thumbnail playlist and watch all of them so you can get better at thumbnails. This, because guess what, you're going to have a skill as well. It's not only for your channel, you're going to have a skill that you could probably use on Fiverr to create thumbnails for other people, you on even on Upwork. So I am perfecting this skill right now. I can't go to Fiverr or Upwork because I'm running 3 channels, so I don't have the time, but it's still good to have the skill. All right. Thank you for staying until now. I appreciate your time because I know you could be watching any other video. I am bringing this to you authentic, no filter, no script. This is me. And I appreciate your presence and your support. And if you want to support the channel, please hit that super thanks button in the video below. I would certainly appreciate the gesture, and thanks in advance for doing so. And because you stayed until the end, I have a free video planning guide for you and a free viral video cheat sheet. Both links are in the description. And if you want to take your channel to the next level, check out my ebooks, sorry. The first one is the YouTube Creator Starter Kit, and the next one is how to start a successful Faceless channel. I run a Faceless channel over by True Travel Treasures, so I know what I'm talking about. And in a year, I was able to grow my channel to 47,400, and I got monetized in 3 months. So I got something to say. Yes, and I want you to know that you're welcome on this channel to come back and see what's going on around here, and so that you can be well equipped to grow your channel as I grew mine to 47,400, going on to 50,000, and by the end of the year I'm hoping I get to 100,000, and that's my goal. All right, and you can reach to that level as well. You just have to believe in yourself and gain the skills that you need and get the tools that will get you to that level. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos, and share this video with someone else. I would appreciate it. Thanks, and see you soon. Take care now.